Imagine you can create unlimited quiz questions from your teaching slides with just a single click. With ClassPoint AI, you can. ClassPoint AI will analyze the information on your slide and then generate multiple choice, short answer, or fill in the blanks questions based on Bloom's taxonomy and the information on your slide. I have prepared this PowerPoint deck for my lesson. To start generating questions with ClassPoint AI, enter Presentation mode. I want to generate a question based on this slide introducing an economics lesson. To do so, click the ClassPoint AI button on the ClassPoint toolbar. Before generating a question, let's customize the options. I want to see what students already know about economics, so I will set the Bloom's taxonomy level to remember and understand, along with setting our question type to multiple choice and short answer. With multi-language support, you can also generate questions in a language of your choice. Once your choices are set, click outside the window and on the Generate button. ClassPoint AI will now analyze your slide and generate a question based on that information. Once generated, let's check the answer and insert this into our presentation. If you want more questions or to see another option, generate another. Now that the questions are inserted into my presentation, I can immediately use it to interact with my audience and get their live responses. The audience can join your ClassPoint class from ClassPoint.app. And once the interactive button is clicked, they can submit their response. If your audience does not have devices, poll them in person and click on the Answer button to reveal the correct answer. And that's it! You can now use AI in PowerPoint to generate interactive questions. Click on ClassPoint AI in your toolbar to begin trying it out.